Step foot into any home in America and you'll see our work. You may not notice it at first or ever, but no matter how long we fly under the radar, we're perfectly content knowing water and plumbing systems are providing all of us with comfort, convenience, productivity, and relaxation. We're EGW, the one-stop shop providing America's leading waterworks and plumbing supply wholesalers with the products their customers need to keep all of our homes, businesses, and lives running. Water and natural gas are at the core of our society's infrastructure, which is precisely why we see so much value in what our team does. But even more importantly, what we equip our partners to achieve every day. We believe a simple solution is the best solution. At EGW, superior customer service means fast response times, dedicated support, and creative problem solving that's simply unmatched in our industry. Put simply, we do all the hard work so you don't have to. Our nationwide network of distributors enjoy fast turnaround times, reduced freight costs, and access to thousands of water, plumbing, and natural gas products, including our very own in-house brand, White Rhino. Our customers consistently tell us about the value we've added to their businesses, whether that be cost savings or a drastically better experience than they've had elsewhere. But what we hear the most can be summed up in one simple sentiment: partnership. Our work can't be done alone. In fact, quite the opposite. So let's work together to keep things flowing for a world that depends on us.